If your new parrot comes to you straight away, that's not a good sign. Healthy parrots are curious at first. If a new bird rushes to you without hesitation, it can be a red flag. Sudden friendliness can mean they're too weak, stressed, or ill to react normally. Sickness makes them quieter and more passive. Give them quiet time, monitor eating, droppings, and breathing. A truly tame bird warms up slowly. A sick one just gives up. Learn more in Teal Time magazine. It's free to read. The link is in my bio.